Welcome back to another exciting episode of Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Sky. Last time, we found out what our future was really like if we didn't take immediate action. Well, I say our future, but it's the distant future. We found out who the real good guys are and the bad guys are. And let's just say that we'd been lied to. Thus Noir, he's no good dude, tell you what. He's trying to keep the future frozen and paralyzed. But truth be told, we've been hunting Grovyle all this time, and he's what's up. He's the real Mama Jamma. He's the one who's like, I'm trying to fix this. Bam. And then he'd like fixed it. No, he's trying to fix it. And we made it back to the present, and now we're here. And then I did the Team Charm episode, which is always fun. I love that one. But now we found out that we need to find a place called the Hidden Land in order to reach Temporal Tower and save the world. Unfortunately, the Hidden Land is hidden. So we don't know what to do because we don't know exactly what to do. Your CRT is 69 watts, so that's funny noise. Nice. Oh, good morning. Oh, I read that sign every time. Ahem! So wrapping up, everyone's aware of their duties today. Well, golly, yes.
I'm all ready to go.
Good. Those of you investigating the Hidden Land, and those of you spreading the word about the true state of affairs, I expect you to organize your teams accordingly and get going. Let's get right to it, everyone.
Hooray!
Wigglytuff's going home. We must go to the hot spring to get information from wise old Torkoal. I think we have to go through Waterfall Cave to get to the hot spring. Well, let's make our way towards the hot spring. Wise old Torkoal loves the hot spring, so the hot spring would be the logical place to look for him. No, I didn't need to hear that twice, thank you.
Go talk to Torkoal, the town elder. If anyone knows about the Hidden Land, it'd be him. He should put his years of wisdom to use.
You know, I used to think that the town elder was like an authority position, but I think you're just the oldest person in the town.
The Hidden Land? I don't think so. No, I've never heard of such a place. The guild seemed to be buzzing with activity.
Conniver Dunsparce ran away. Hey, Eggers. Yeah, Elder is essentially just the town old man, yeah. I mean, I would love to see what an Elder election looks like. Would you, like, if you were old, would you run for that? I don't think I would. Like, a position dedicated to calling me old might not be the greatest thing in the world. Okay, before I forget, because I didn't do it last time, we have to recycle. So, good to see you with us. Your absence kept me from resting in peace. Welcome to Duskull Bank. Your balance is 7,199 Poke. How may I serve you?
How much do you want to deposit? 4,649 Poke. It will rest here in peace. Forever, if you wish. I look forward to your next visit. I realized that I never voiced Duskull, and he sounds like fun to voice, so... It'd be fun. You can maybe do bingo championships complaining about the times of playing Icy Hot Plus. I do that third thing now, so watch out. Watch your words there. I heard something that gave me a short circuit. Grovyle's really the good guy, and Dusknoir's the bad guy? World's a funny place. You never know what to expect. Howdy! Welcome to Electivire Link Shot. I'll link all the moves you want for just 500 a session. Who wants to link moves? Moves? Oh, I'm out of money. I just deposited it all.
This feels like a good pair of moves to link together, although they will de-link if they run out of PP, which is a problem, but it's fine. I'm glad to see you back safe and sound. When you were gone, everyone was so concerned over you. Why, it seemed to sap the cheer out of all of Treasure Town. But that's over now. I'm so glad to see you home safe. I'm looking after your egg. It's doing fabulously well. Huh? The egg? Could it be? It's the close hatching? Could it? Will it? Huh? What? The egg hatched. A healthy Spheal! Baby! I will let it... Sorry for that Spheal squeal over there. I really like Spheal. It's so cute. Round Boy is happy to be a member. Round Boy went off to be a part of it. Yay, Round Boy! Oh, that makes me so happy. Let me recycle. How do I feel about Celio Walrein? I feel good about them. I like them very much. Did you hear the happy news? Why not? Thanks to everyone's recycling efforts, Project P recently made a new discovery. This time, treasure was discovered, so we're offering a higher grade of recycled items. Yeah, woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! Please keep recycling. The more recycling, the better. Hello, welcome to the recycle shop where everyone is happy. Hey, why not? I'd like to recycle. 2 escape orbs for a reviver seed, that is a good deal. That's a pretty nice little thing we got going on there, like... I'm actually gonna trade in for this silver ticket now. I probably don't need this many Pecha scarves. Will you recycle these things? Yes, I will. Alright, chat. Red, blue, or yellow? What are we thinking? What are we feeling? Who's feeling lucky today? Yellow? Alright. Oh, I saw yellow first, but the next one will be blue. Okay, yellow then. Right. Right, yellow. Is it a win? Is it not? That's right! Is that so? That's not too bad. Constellation plies. The plies? Do you want to redeem that silver ticket for? Yes, I do. And this time I'll go with blue. That right, blue. That's right. Oh, that's all right. An oranberry. Okay, cool. I want another reviver seed. I don't need this many escape orbs. There's a nice little recycling chain you have here. You can get going, which is really neat. I don't need 2 brines. I certainly don't need this many decoy orbs. Alright, let's, I'm feeling blue again. That's right. I was feeling blue and it paid off. Wow, that's wonderful. That's so great. Why not take your prize? The faux holder. That's actually good. Sorry, I know this is a lot of recycling, but damn it, recycling is good for you and the environment. True, I should be selling the TMs. They're good money, but, you know, thinking is not my strong suit, as it were. I do not need this many decoy orbs or draw orbs. Or maybe the intensify orb. Wow, I have a lot of petrify orbs. I don't need this many rainies. Trap bust, I almost never use transfer as well. The funniest item in the game is the itemizer orb, which literally just kills an enemy by turning it into an item. It's so funny. Blue again. How you doing, Paper Star, by the way? Drain Punch? Ooh, now that's a TM I could get behind. Can I learn that? That'd be really nice to learn, but I probably can't learn it because, of course. I never use these or these. These almost never work. Eh. You have to be given away to Gardenia. Red. We haven't done red yet. Darn. I guess I'll take this prize ticket. I wonder how my, how's my storage even looking right now? That's a lot better, but we can do better. I never use chesto berries because you have to use them in advance. Like, you have to know you're going to be at risk of falling asleep. So like, blue. Hey, we won! Yeah, I'm definitely low on rank compared to how I have been in the past. Assad? Oh. That's not bad. Actually, how does Facade even work in this? Never find out. I would probably like to get some rank stuff in. It's only 365 to the next level. That's not too bad. I don't really want to do this. I'll do this one, though. No better time to do all this than right now when the world needs us the most. All right, Drain Punch. Can I? What do you mean? Oh my god! If I was a Riolu, this wouldn't be a problem, but no. Oh, so this is wonderful. I shouldn't be sobbing. I should be strong like you. Hello there. Yeah, so back to business as usual, huh? I don't need this many max elixirs. Probably don't need this many reviver seeds. Cure seeds, heal seeds. I'll take care of these boxes later. Yeah, so let's just do a couple jobs. I'm so close to gold rank, so like, I may as well. This is the last real grinding for rank you have for the rest of the game, so, you know. Oh, I don't want to go to Lush Prairie. I'd like to go to Northern Desert, please. Did I take that other... I think I did. I love this song. Yeah, arrest Nidorina and arrest Kricketot. I think we can do that. Hey there. Die. Yeah, this song, I love the bass in this song. You know, when I was starting the stream up, the other option for song I was gonna pick was Chasm Cave, because I also really like that song. But Team Charm just won out in the end in my decision-making process. Yeah, but yeah, oh my god, the bass line in this song is absolutely fantastic. What are some other ones that you want to cover, Betsy? I'm curious now. Oh, fun, Chasm Cave. That's a good choice, as I had just finished mentioning. I really want Explorers Deluxe. You have no idea. I will play this game again in rapid succession if they give me an Explorers Deluxe. Like, you don't know. First of all, I never get tired of this game. Like, literally ever. Oh, Silver Gummy. I feel like I don't have to see those. Hey, it's Cub 1. Alright, goodbye, Cub 1. Die. Give me that money. I want that. I'm poor. Except I'm not actually that poor. But damn, Anya, out for blood. We could have just left that guy alone. Ah, well. That's our Anya, I suppose. Always out to kill. That's right. I forget what Dark Crater's song sounds like. And Concealed Ruins, oh my god. Let me tell you something. Concealed Ruins is one of the hardest dungeons to go through in the game. And no one ever talks about it. But those damn Nidoqueen in there, I tell you what. It's only a luminous orb. Its effect wears off quickly. Are you part Dark type yet? No. Probably not. See, now that's how multi-hit moves are supposed to be. Not like this nonsense that Mystery Dungeon always does. Multi-hit moves in PMD are just... we've seen it in practice. They are the worst. Hello, Aron. I love Aron. Also, I love how Charmander, when it does the thing that it does, the brick break, it gives like this karate kick thing, like this, not a crane kick, but like a roundhouse kick. Leiron. Nice. Didn't mean to do that, but it's okay. Jesus, I was going to leave it alone. My dear, dear partner. Where's the stairs? I would like to actually see the bad guy. Save some flamethrowers for, No, it's 12 and 13, my bad. I thought it was 11 and 12 for some reason. Good job. I really need to let you do some things because, like, oh my gosh, you can handle it yourself in here pretty well. Wait a minute. Do reflect and light screen not stack? Well, that's ridiculous. Alright, stop using that. God, of course they don't. Why would they stack? It's not like everything else in this game stacks. Good job. You made it to 34. Alright, I like... Yeah, forget both Link moves. Body Slam's better. Oh yeah, that actually did get rid of both. Oh, that's... I didn't know that was a thing, actually, until right now. I'm glad I know that. Wait, you can unlink them remotely? Thank you. It's about damn time. What the hell, I'll drink it now. Don't you have Body Slam? Use it. Oh my god. I tell you. Thank you. No, I would not like to leave the dungeon. I have more to do here, thank you. I swear. Yeah, there you go. Now that's how you do it. That was really hard. Like, that was a 1-star outlaw. Wow. $400. And an Insomnoscope. Beep, 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 beep. A new egg! I mean, it was a Cricketot, so we can't be too surprised, but, like, I was expecting it to put up somewhat of a fight. All this stuff. Yeah, I'll save. Well, has anyone obtained information about the hidden land? No clue, is that? That's to be expected. It is a place that no one's heard of before, but if you keep looking, we'll be sure to find it. So true, yippee! I'm not giving up, by golly.
Nothing can break me.
Good. We'll keep searching for the hidden land. Let's get this done! Oh good, Chaudot's not gonna yell at us about the, not going to Waterfall Cave. Wow, these suck. Oh, what the hell, I'll go to Ant Plains, I guess. A Steelix? Huh. That's crazy. You can do it after Brine King? I thought it was gonna really force me to go to the dungeon after Brine Cave, so you know, I'm only trying to get to gold rank, so it doesn't matter. Besides, any excuse to hear one of my favorite songs in the game again. Guess that makes sense, huh? And the game needs you to do your last-second preparations. I'm not really interested in buying dummies off of these things. That would be stealing Chugga's thunder. I can't do that. There. What's this? A tract? Hey, that's bad. Isn't a tract, like, actually super good in this game? Because... Or is that later? Okay, no, it's later on that gender stops existing in Mystery Dungeon, I think. Because I think in later entries, gender just stops mattering? Or maybe I'm talking out of my ass, but I don't remember. Let it sleep. Yeah, I will really miss regular attack. It was... Well, it was being nerfed into the ground before. I think they just straight up got rid of it, right? That's how it happened. Now it's like it just uses the best move for the situation. That was easy. Well, normally I would, but I want to see that TM. It was waterfalls. Okay. Ah, what the hell? Let's just get out of here. I don't think I've shown an escape port this entire time. Black gummy, yay! 120 extra storage items, thank God. For a ginseng, damn, that's pretty good. Oh lord, I love the outlaw music. It's so much better than the one from Rescue Team. For the thief, than the thief music from Rescue Team, I should say. What does ginseng do again? Ginseng raises the power of the move that you have set. So like I have flamethrower set to, I have flamethrower bound to the R plus A shortcut, and it raises the power of that move. Do you really want to use it when you know you have a move that you will never get rid of? Like in Rescue Team, Red Rescue Team and Blue Rescue Team, I would just get Articuno and pour all of my ginseng into powder snow because it was that good. Yeah. Oh good, it does skip. I think not going to Waterfall Cave was worth it to see that extra dialogue then. Wow, these jobs suck. It's like the game doesn't... It's like the game really, really wants me to go to Waterfall Cave, which is fine, I suppose. Oh damn, that happened. It's funny how that happens. Alright, I'm gonna need, get my boxes from storage. Let's take care of those real quick before I forget. Wigglytuff's your main? Nice. I've never seen what these guys have to say. Yo, you two are safe. And they say you came back in the future. That's amazing stuff, you two. Your gutsiness. I like it. I have faith in you. Never give up. I'm so happy to see you back safe, Team Limpan. I'm not very good at figuring out complicated things, but you can always count on my support, Team Limpan. They're saying Grovile's actually the good guy? Huh, how do they expect me to believe that now? The store is making the rounds of Treasure Town. It's hard to believe, but it is true the time hasn't gone back to normal. The stolen time gears are pulling place. Worse yet, the zones where time stopped are growing larger. There are things happening that don't make sense. That's why I don't think it's safe to deny the rumor. You know, the rumor about Grovile. You're saying our plan is paralyzed in the future? You're not kidding? You're not kidding? Say in Slash. Ooh, I have a lot of boxes. Oh, okay. Store. I do not need all this grimy food. Yes, very much after that point. Yeah, the next thing is, I have to do Waterfall Cave, and then it's gonna, like, go from there. It's weird that the game makes you do Waterfall Cave again. That's always been weird to me, but I guess, why not, right? Let me get some extra money. Not all that, I'll tell you what. Yeah, this should do it. Yeah, I do remember that actually, now that you mention it. You just unlocked a memory. It has been a long time. Alright, here we go. Minin card. Really? You're gonna play the Minin card now? And be Claw. Charmafang. Okay, that's actually good. I need that. Sky Gummy. That's good. Gold Ribbon. Oh, that's money in the bank right there. Well, it's money for me to go put in the bank, but you know. Grass Gummy. Scyther Fang. Megani Claw. Well, Megani Claw. I like Megani better. Even though I know it's Meganium. And I don't say Meganium, but... Aerial Ace. Well, that'd be real great if I was a Charizard. Vile Seed. Almost there. Patchy Tooth. Remember when they never finished the anime special? Well, I guess like they ended it like right before the end, the final dungeon. That was wild. Balbacla. Bacla. I know, they really should have. It's ridiculous. We were very worried about you. No one seems to know where you went. It's good to see you home safe, and good to have you shop with us again. I would like to sell this gold ribbon, please. Made a profit, just like that. Oh, that's so fucking tempting. Oh my god, I can afford it, but like... I'll think about that one, because Dragon Claw would not be a bad TM to have. I forgot the gummies. This is what it's like preparing to go somewhere, or like just trying to do things in this game. Like, you just forget things. At least I do. Need that one, that one, that one, that one. Oh, there weren't that many of them. If it is a Team Limp Hand, it's a beautiful flag, okay. Yeah, okay, I'm going there. Did you hear the happy news? What's the new discovery? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Higher grade of recycled items. Let's go. What do we have now in the recycling docket? Ooh. Wow. That's not bad at all, actually. Interesting the zinc bands aren't on there, but it's okay. let's just do one of these. Yeah, I want blue. Right, blue. Yeah, I mean, I don't use them either, but it's interesting that this is the one thing that's not included. Okay, we've got quite a few gummies to go through, so... Ooh, a good feeling. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Survivalist. Blue gummy tea, alright. You get this one. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Another good feeling, okay. And she got Brick Tough. Oh, that's great. She just gets more HP. That's fantastic. Another good feeling? Wow. And I still can't get the miracle drink, though. I've never gone this long without getting the miracle drink, so... When using plain seeds, interesting. I don't usually ever drink anything that's not a gummy. Drink plain seeds, what else I can use them for? There's like so many things that doesn't make them fair. Fair. Alright, constellation. Here we go. It's fine. It's just, yeah, I'm just recycling. So. Alright, now let's go see Krogunk. That's not Krogunk, jackass.
It's good that you two made Back to the Future. It makes me happy.
Don't I have this? Or do I have the... I have the Char Fang. Okay, I do need the Char Claw then. Alright, I'll trade them in for this fiery heart. What the hell? I don't exactly metagame the whole, like... this thing. Swap shop nonsense. I like it a lot. It's a really great feature, but I just don't use it to its full potential, and I know that. Is there anything in Waterfall Cave that I have to do? I'm so sorry. I have to say no. Yeah, no, the items that you get are absolutely... Sometimes it just converts super effect quad weakness damage into health, which is insane. Is the game gonna let me do this? No, okay. Yeah, can't do... Alright. I did not realize that that was how the game was going to treat this, because I've never actually, like, done a mission in Waterfall Cave when I had this. 2? What am I going to do with that? Come on now. I wonder if the game makes you do this for you to realize how strong you've gotten. That would be my guess, because, like, how are my stats looking for them? That's a lot of special attack. Also, I didn't get that Dragon Claw TM. Oh, boo-hoo. I guess... The difference between, like, Dragon Claw and Slash is pretty negligible right now. Like, if I ran into a dragon, sure, Dragon Claw would be better, but, like, eh. I really should bring Sus and Sus along for mission again, because I did enjoy having Sus around. How long is this dungeon again? Like 6, 7, 8 floors? 8 floors. Probably. 8 or 9. Thank you for the hydrate, Rabbit. Lughead, don't get in any trouble, will ya? See, that'll be super. Hello. Didn't see you there. Wow, you have a lot of health for a Surskit. Oh. Does Anya have dialogue? Oh, okay, nothing special. I thought you might have said something about... Wow, I'm getting hungry? I thought you might have said something about how we have to look for Torkoal or whatever. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's Hiding Oyster. Bye, Hiding Oyster. I wonder how Oyster's been. I haven't talked to him in a long time. Still think about that guy, though. Oh, we'll make it. Hold out. We might not make it, actually. But you know what? Fine. We don't. You need another move, actually, huh? I knew we'd make it. Hot Spring! Woo! I'm usually hot-headed. When I come here, I calm right down. I don't know. The hot spring here is good for loosening up knotted muscles. The way I keep my arms raised all the time, it does a number on my shoulders. I'm lucky the hot spring exists.
Ah, my young friends, come to wash away your exhaustion. Oh, not so? I see. You seek my wisdom. Well, there's no better place than this to share your story. Ah, I see. The hidden land, you say. Live forever, you say. I'll take one. I have heard of it.
Oh, really?
Hidden land is truly a place of legend. It is tattered lore at best, handed down by oral tradition.
No matter, please tell us.
Of course, I can tell you only what I have heard. The hidden land lies beyond the sea, in a hidden place, so the story goes.
A hidden place? The hidden land in a hidden place? What the hell?
Yes, the hidden land only allows the chosen to find it. To go there, one must possess certain qualities.
Oh, a place that only someone with proper qualifications can go to. Well, here's my resume. Okay, Torkoal, what are those qualifications?
They are... No, what were they? I'm sorry, it slipped my mind.
Oh no, you can't remember? Please, Torkoal, please remember. This is really important.
That's easy for you to say, but, Oh, that's it. You need proof. You needed proof of some sort. That was it. Proof.
Proof? What kind of proof?
That would be... Forgive me. I've forgotten again.
What? You can't remember?
I'm sorry to disappoint you.
Alright. Can you recall anything else at all?
No, that's all. Forgive me, youngsters. If I recall what proof you need, I'll be sure to let you know.
Yes, please. Thank you, Torkoal. Let's go back to the guild. So Torkoal couldn't provide us with many answers. That's too bad. Oh, that's not entirely true. We know that we need proof, and knowing that is a step forward, right? Hey, we're searching too. Torkoal will be processing memory with it. Hey, David, how you doing?
Yeah, but we didn't find anything.
What? There's no giving up. We have to keep trying, by golly. I'll keep trying too. We should have dinner and rest up for the night. We'll resume our efforts tomorrow. Oh, well, thanks, everyone. Oh, don't cry, Anya. It's okay. Things aren't going as well as we'd hoped. When we talked to Torkoal, I thought we had a hope. I wonder how Grovyle is doing. Has he gathered the time gears? We have to hurry too. But there's no point in getting all worked up, especially since everyone is helping out. We should get some sleep and start a fresh effort tomorrow. Okay, Twi, good night. The next morning.
Up and at 'em.
Sure. $1,575. But that's not too far-fetched.
Ahem. So in short, the hidden land remains shrouded in mystery, but we're not giving up.
Hooray!
Let's get out there and investigate again today. Let's go, everyone.
Hooray! Where should we go investigate today, Twi? Well, we've already talked to Torkoal. I don't know where else to look next. Pokemon detected! Pokemon detected!
Whose footprint? Whose footprint?
The footprint belongs to Torkoal, the town elder. Specifically that Torkoal and no other one. The footprint belongs to Torkoal, the town elder. Specifically that Torkoal and no other one. What? Torkoal is here.
Finally, I caught up with you. Climbing up this guild. It was hard on the old bones.
What brings you here, Torkoal? Did you maybe remember something?
Indeed I did, but I've recalled only one more tiny thing, sorry to say. Yesterday I contemplated the waters of the hot spring for a long time.
Finally, one recollection surfaced.
What? But it really is something small. I worry it would even be worthwhile sharing with you.
Not a worry. Every little bit of information helps, however small. Please say it. Say it.
When we spoke of travel to the Hidden Land yesterday, I said that you needed proof of your qualification to go there. I remembered a bit more about that proof. The proof bears an inscription of a certain pattern.
A certain pattern?
Hey, so what kind of pattern would that be? How can I describe it? It's difficult to describe it, but I can tell you that the pattern is quite intricate and odd. It's a peculiar pattern, the kind of pattern you rarely see.
A pattern you rarely see. Golly.
You think I could think of something?
But trying to think of such a thing, it's not easy when one tries. What could it be? What could it be? The kind of pattern you rarely see. What could a pattern like that look like? Rarely see. A peculiar... Wait a second. A peculiar pattern? A peculiar pattern. I remember that time. It just so happened that I found this relic fragment. Sure, it does look like jump, but take a closer look. Look there. See that strange pattern inscribed on it? True, there is a strange inscription. I've never seen a pattern like this. That's it. The relic fragment was inscribed with a peculiar pattern. What is it, Twi? Pardon? My relic fragment? Oh, right. That pattern. Excuse me. Could you have a look at this, please?
Oh, this is it. It's a pattern exactly like this.
What?
Where did you get this?
I can't say if I even remember where. I just happened to pick it up. Yippee! This is fabulous. Since Anya has this, does it mean that Anya is qualified to go to the Hidden Land?
That I wouldn't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. To go to the Hidden Land, one must surely possess that proof. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the bearer of the proof really possesses the qualifications to be chosen. That proof may be merely the physical key to the Hidden Land. Even before that, though, this shares the same inscribed pattern. There's no sure connection between this relic fragment and the Hidden Land.
Oh, but there's no question that this pattern has something to do with the Hidden Land? Knowing only that is a lot.
I suppose so. Wait, you do realize that the Hidden Land is only a spoken legend, right? You're surely not trying to find the Hidden Land?
Yes, we are.
My goodness, what a surprise.
Shut up. This pattern. We've seen this somewhere, haven't we?
What?
Yes, the sea inlet to the northwest, inside Brine Cave. But, Guildmaster, that place...
Yes, I know. That vicious bandit was there. A vicious...
Bandit? By golly.
Everyone, please listen. I once saw this same pattern deep inside a place called Brine Cave. I think we can discover more by taking the relic fragment there. However, there is one problem. A Pokémon lurks there who's a vicious bandit.
Hey, we're not about to let that scare us. Aren't we explorers?
We all need to be brave. Thanks, everyone. That place is challenging. Everyone should take time today to get ready. We'll set out for Brine Cave tomorrow. Hooray!
I thought the hidden land was nothing more than folklore. Getting old has made my thinking so inflexible. That's very sad. This all makes me revenge of the days when I dreamt of romance and adventure. Help me see my dreams again. Do your best. Ho ho ho!
Yep, you can count on us. Thank you, Torkoal.
Oh, it was nothing. Ho 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 ho!
All right, everyone. Spend the rest of today getting ready. Okay, dismissed. Hooray! Yup, we'll get ready, by golly. Oh my gosh, this will be so exciting. Chada, you stay at the guild tomorrow and stand by.
Guildmaster, forgive me if I'm out of line, but please let me go to Brine Cave.
No, I can't let you face danger like that ever again.
But that's why I must go. Please, take me to Brine Cave.
Okay, then I want you to go with Team Limp Hand tomorrow. Guide Twi's team to the place where we saw that strange pattern, but I want you to be careful.
Thank you. I won't let you down.
Another thing, I have something I need to do, so I have to go out. You're in charge while I'm gone.
As you wish. So that's where it stands. You two will be with me tomorrow. As such, Team Guild Hand's non-guild members may not come along. Brine Cave has a vicious foe laying in wait. You mustn't let down your guard. And don't do anything that keeps me from succeeding there.
Ugh, okay. Fi, we should go get ready. Let's go down to Treasure Town.
Oh, to be young again. If I was younger, I'd certainly join the challenge to find the hidden land.
Getting on down in Treasure Town.
Whoa, hold it right there, old timer.
Who is it?
Oh, these chocobo butts.
What is it? What do you want? Joe, well, we're Team Skull.
Did you have business with Wigglytuff's guild, old timer?
Oh, I overheard you say something that sounded fun. Something about the hidden land, Joe. I was only...
Someone's coming.
Whoa, guild trumps? Old timer, why don't we take this chance somewhere where we won't be disturbed, Joe? Hey!
Oh lord, these guys. I almost forgot about them. Help me see my love. Let's catch Tyranitar. Thank you for the crusty paper star, and thank you for the posture check, Betsy. Appreciate it. Probably gonna need a few reviver seeds. Brine Cave is, I'm sure you can imagine based on the name. It's a water dungeon. I hear the whole guild's off to Brine Cave. Best of luck to you.
Hey, Brine Cave has some nasty enemies on the loose. Everyone better be stocked up with proper equipment.
Hey, I love Brine Cave as well.
We came running when we heard the world's in danger. I tell you, this is no time to be soaking in the hot spring, so we've come, but what are we supposed to do?
The whole world's time's about to stop. It's nice to see these folks doing their part, whatever that is. I'm getting kitted out to prepare to go to Brine Cave. I believe what you said. After all, it's very strange that time hasn't started moving yet after the time gears are put back. I'm in your corner. I hope you succeed.
Hey, I believe too. I believe in you. We've never heard anything about the hidden land, but if anyone can find it, I'm sure you can. Go for it. Oh, I've heard. The plant's gonna be paralyzed if nothing's done. That's bad news. Bad, bad, bad.
Wow, flamethrower. I need to look at my TMs list. I know I have a lot of them, but it's gonna take me a minute. I need to see what Dear Anya can learn here. Dig's not a bad move, but Anya can't learn it. Swords Dance might be good for her. Don't really need this. Don't need this many apples, that's for sure. Do we have max elixirs? Yeah, we have 3. That should be plenty. Hey, Chansey, how's my egg doing, girl? Hey, what's up? Oh, I should check and see how Round Boy is doing, what his moves are like. Oh, right. We should go over to Sharpedo Bluff before we go back to the just in case Grove. Oh, okay. Good idea. I wonder if Grovile's back. Let's go. Grovile isn't here. Oh, over there. There's a sheet of paper here. There's something written on it in footprint runes. This is a letter from Grovile. It must be a message for us. I'll read it. Anya began reading the letter from Grovile. To Twy and Anya, how are you doing? How goes your search for the Hidden Land? Things are going well on my end. I've already collected 3 time gears. I have to find only 2 more time gears. I plan to join you when I've collected all 5. Plans have proceeded smoothly. Azelf and his friends understood the situation and they have fully cooperated. Azelf told me that members of your guild let them know I was coming. Thank you. It's heartening to know that more and more Pokémon are coming to trust us. However, I will continue to stay away from Treasure Town and the guild. First, I'm not certain if the Pokémon in this world trust me entirely or not. But there's something more troubling than that. Dusknoir is liable to return from the future at any time. Dusknoir? Come to think of it, Dusknoir failed to get rid of us in the future. I wouldn't put it past him to chase us here. He still wants us gone. Okay, I'll finish reading. Since Dusknoir will be coming, we should keep a low profile. This is another reason I should stay away from Treasure Town and the guild. I may instead come back to Sharpedo Bluff or the beach. If we should meet, then we can exchange information. Good luck on your end. Together we shall stop the plan's paralysis. From Grovile. Okay, it sounds like Grovile is hard at work. We can't fail on our end. According to this letter, Grovile will show up either here or at the beach. Go down to the beach, maybe we'll see him there. Let's go to the beach before we go back to the guild. Oh, I need to get rid of this. I need to drop off this Aerial Ace TM. I can learn Aerial Ace? That's not terrible. I mean, what would that really cover me from, though? Nothing. At most, I would get a coverage against fighting types. Oh yeah, those bosses tend to kick ass. How you doing, Red Running Dragon? Good to see you. That's true, it would do that. Yeah, but I don't have it. I guess I could just recycle the damn use TM. I'll do that real quick before I forget. I don't know what I'm saving it for. I was gonna recycle it anyway, but... Yeah, what's next? Is it treasure? Oh shit, that's not bad. Holy moly. Oh, there's the zinc band. Oh, and the gold ticket, finally. Oh my god, that took forever. Yeah, okay, let's see what the gold ticket's gonna get me. Blue again. I feel good about blue. Don't tell me. Yes!
Oh yeah!
Well, how lucky can you get? I must congratulate you. Why not? Here's your big one. Yo! That's actually, like... It's gonna miss, like, a hell of a lot, but, like, it's not bad. He did just Kool-Aid Man the wall. I mean, that hit ratio is about as good as any other move in the game, isn't it? Actually, it has a higher hit ratio than Flamethrower. But it'll go back to Ember range. Ooh. I think it's worth getting rid of Flamethrower, honestly. What are we thinking here? Oh, you think getting rid of either Slash or Brick Break? That was my initial thought, because I feel like the range is not bad. Like, Slash isn't good against anything. It's just my neutral damage, which I don't super need, because the regular attack isn't ass. I don't know. Yeah, I'm willing to get rid of Slash for this, I think. Smokescreen is too good for me to get rid of it. I cannot believe I got the mega prize before I got a single miracle drink. Alright, well. Such is life. I'll take a max elixir, honestly. That's not bad to have. Plughead, we don't want... We should probably send you home. There's Round Boy. Let's see what he's looking at. Oh my god! What on earth? Alright, well, Round Boy might be a permanent team member. Because, like, hot damn. Look at those eyes before they kill you. Regrettably, I cannot take Round Boy with me to Brine Cave, but it's fine. Chapter 18, Lapras. I was hoping to see Grovyle here. Guess he's not here after all. Speaking of not being here, the Krabby aren't here either. They always come out to blow bubbles here in the evening. I love seeing their bubbles go floating away in the evening sky. Well, that's too bad. It's a letdown, but... Look, Ty, the sunset sure is pretty. You know... It was my dream to solve the secret of my relic fragment, but I would have never guessed that the relic fragment was connected to the hidden land. That reminds me, it was here, wasn't it? Where Coughing and his sidekick stole my relic fragment? I... Don't feel like it. I remember. I was too scared to go get it back. You gave me courage then, Twy. You know, that was how we really started as a team. Getting back this relic fragment was Team Limphan's first adventure with this ridiculous name. And now we're using the same relic fragment so we can go to the hidden land. If you think about it, it's kind of strange. That's true. My adventures with Anya and searching for the hidden land, the relic fragment was the start of both. This pretty sunset. It will be lost if the plan's paralysis can't be stopped. We have to stop that. We can't waste any time finding the hidden land. We have to do good tomorrow, Twy. That's right, we have to try hard. I must fulfill the mission that I had before losing my memory. My mission with Grovyle. A mission to help the Pokémon of this world and those of the future. What? Hey, Twy, what is that? Wow, it's a Lapras. Oh. Happy. It looks like it's swimming across the sunset. I think it's a Pokemon. Well, that's a little strange. The sun's almost gone. We should go back to the guild soon.
Chaw. The Krabby weren't around for good reason. They ran off, scared of us. Chaw.
But gee, that old-timer Torkoal wasn't lying to us after all.
That junk we stole back then. I didn't know it was going to be something that valuable.
So what? We'll get that relic fragment from them one way or another. That means the hidden land is going to be explored by none other than us, Team Skull. Chaw.
The moon. Sleepy. Lapra's still going.
Lapras, long time no see.
It's been too long, Wigglytuff. You look well.
Is Chatot doing well too? Yes, very well.
I'm glad to hear that. I've always meant to thank you. I deeply appreciate the promise you've made and upheld for all this time.
No problem, no big deal. But today, I'm here to see you about that promise. We find ourselves in a situation where we can't afford to uphold that promise. I suspect you know why, so please tell me about that strange pattern we once saw.
The next morning. Yes, Loudred.
Up and at 'em, it's morning.
Good morning, Twy.
I would like to save my adventure.
Ahem, and so, as you're all quite well aware, Guildmaster has not yet returned from his errand. However, I intend to set off for Brine Cave as scheduled.
Hey, where'd Guildmaster go anyway?
I wouldn't know that.
Is it going to be okay without the Guildmaster?
No problem, there's no need for your concern at all. Guildmaster must have decided that we can manage on our own without him for the time being. That's why he hasn't come back yet. Furthermore, in the place of our absent Guildmaster, you have me to lead you. Why isn't anyone saying anything? Poor David. It can't be. Do you all think I'm not up to the task? Everyone, out with it. Am I perhaps inadequate? Worthless to you?
No. I wouldn't say that, by golly.
When Guildmaster isn't here, it just all feels less safe.
Hey, you know the Guildmaster. He's hard to figure out. But hey, he really comes through when things get rough.
But the Guildmaster isn't with us right now, so we have to take charge and do as he wanted. That's right. I'm sure that we can get the job done on our own. Let's go for it on our own.
You're right. We can't count on the Guildmaster for everything.
Oh yes, that's a spirit. Let's do our best. Chada, the Guildmaster is absent, so there's only one among us who can lead, and that's you, Chada. Huh? Oh, me? Of course. You said so earlier. You said that we'll be fine because you're here to lead us. Lead the way. Show us, Chada.
That's right. Show us, Chada. Hey.
Yup, I'm counting on you.
Well, everyone, you can always count on me when things are bad.
What's the matter, Chada? Sound the call to duty already.
I know. Commencing now, we shall depart on a guild exploration of Brine Cave. Everyone, let us excel together. Hooray!
Such a fucking shot outline. Let us excel together. This is so close to the base.
Now listen, everyone. This is the entrance to Brine Cave. Your objective is to reach the deepest part of this dungeon. That is where one will find the same odd pattern inscribed on the relic fragment that Anya has. However, it is there where an extremely vicious Pokémon lurks.
Well, extremely vicious? Where could he be? I have no idea. Golly, that sounds scary. Oh.
Hey, Chada.
What is it?
Yesterday, Guildmaster said something about that vicious Pokemon, but Chada, you seem to know just as much about this dungeon, hey.
Chada, is it possible that you've been here before? That's right. I've come here before. I explored here a long time ago with the Guildmaster. It was deep in this cave that we saw the peculiar pattern. It was then, however, those tough Pokemon appeared.
Oh. So, what were they like? Tough, you say?
I don't remember at all.
Huh? You don't remember?
Yes, but I'm loath to admit it. They attacked with no warning out of nowhere. I was knocked out before I could do a thing. When I came to, the Guildmaster was tending to my wounds, but I had no memory of events before that. So I couldn't tell you what the attackers were like.
That gives us nothing to go on.
So we don't know the kind of enemy we're facing? We'll have to make our way slowly. Wait, please. Hey, Chatot. At first you said there was one vicious Pokemon, but you said they attacked you. There's more than one?
They can be singular, Anya.
No, it wasn't just one. There was one extremely vicious Pokemon, but it wasn't alone. When they attacked... Oh, I remember now. They attacked all at once. I recall getting slammed with water, like a tidal wave.
Like a tidal wave? That could mean water-type moves.
We are a ground type. We don't like water at all. I hope we don't have to fight enemies like that. It would be awful dangerous to make a go of it alone.
That's right. We should make several groups to explore the cave.
We'll do that, sir. Yup.
Hey, we should form teams that don't bunch up types.
You two, remember what the guildmaster said yesterday. The 2 members from Limpan must be in my group. Therefore, you two shall accompany me when exploring this cave. Understood? I trust you won't hold me up too much. Oh, and you must not expect me to do everything for you. It's up to you to look after yourselves.
Understood.
All right, everyone. We're off to conquer Brine Cave. Let's give it our all.
Hooray! This is one of the best songs in the game for me. Oh, after this. Chief, looks like those lats from the guild are already inside.
Whoa, yeah, we follow them.
Oh, sounds good. We'll track them, but let's keep out of sight. When the right time comes along somewhere in the cave, that's when we'll grab that wimpy Anya's relic fragment. Then we'll hightail it to the deepest part of the cave. We'll grab all the glory of solving this mystery.
Brilliant, Chief. Your plan's perfect.
Sure, naturally. Anyway, it'll be us, Team Skull. We'll be the ones going to the hidden land.
Whoa.
Sure.
It'd be a mistake to rely on my help too much, Twy and Anya. Now don't you leave me. Now, where do you think you're going? No. No, it seems as though things are getting tougher. Pay attention.
Yeah, Chaudot's an amazing partner Pokemon to have. You can't see his moves, but he's got, like, Fury Attack and Mirror Move, and that's literally all you'll ever need in this dungeon. Like, well, not quite that, but, like, he's really, really good.
Now this is where things turn nasty. Do be careful. Now pay attention before acting. Now don't be complacent.
I love this song so much. Oh wait, it's raining, dummy. Oh, look at that. Hey, 432, that's me. Oof, that hit. Go Anya. This dungeon's honestly... In all of my past experience, this dungeon has never been that bad. But like, as a fire type, I'm usually not a fire type, so this could get rough. How long? Yeah, Chaudot's insane. And Mirror Move is one of the best moves in the entire game. Oh, a Revivere seed, thank God. I don't know what I would do without another Revivere. You can never have too many of this, I'm telling you right now. Never. Yeah, I mean, this dungeon's like... It's pretty nondescript. Oh, just use a damn move, thanks. Not that move. Yeah, how's everyone's day been? We've been chilling today. I know it's odd for me to stream on a Tuesday, but you know. Not bad, a chill day. Good to hear. My day was fine. Yeah. Well, Thursday and Friday are kind of just not happening this week, so, you know, I'm mustering up some energy. Fair enough, dude. I hope that energy gets mustered in an appropriate time frame, I guess. I don't know. Rest, not super worth it. Isn't Pikmin 4 hype mode? I feel that very hard. No reflect for me. There's an energy everything. Yeah, that's true. Rocks? Okay. Dugong. Well, rip that Dugong, I guess. Dugong and Seal are, like, super cute. I love them. Wow, Tentacle. Is this really the first place you can find Tentacle? Oh my god, Dragonair! Yay! Oh, that got rid of her sword stance, actually. Whoops. Yeah, I guess if I could describe Brine Cave, like, it's kind of like harder Beach Cave, which is really good, like, parallelism. That was fast. We've gone pretty far down. Hey, Chatot, are we almost at the place where you saw that pattern? We're nearly there. We don't have far to go. However, as I've told you before, every step also takes us closer to these vicious Pokémon. Yep, we can't get careless. Anyway, it's not far. Now, let's keep it up, Twi. Ouch!
Whoops, excuse me.
Hey!
Oh, long time, weaklings.
Oh, you're that nice team. Huh?
This is it, the relic fragment.
That's...
Sure. I'll take this.
Hey!
Whoa, this is the second time you're getting mugged for this.
You don't learn very well, that's for sure.
Oh, wait, please! I'm afraid I'm not following what's going on here. Why are you even here? We haven't seen any of you from Team Skull since you suddenly disappeared during the expedition. I fretted for your well-being.
Worried, huh? Sure. Your guild's full of gullible nincompoops just waiting to be fleeced.
Oh? Your demeanor and language seem to be much coarser now.
Shut up! They were fooling the guild all this time. They're a bad exploration team. Team Skull's a bunch of crooks.
Well, what? Is that true?
Whoa, what else?
You'd have to be naive beyond belief to be fooled this long.
Anyway, now we've got the relic fragment. Now we just have to go to the hidden land. Eat your heart out, nitwits. Sure.
Those stinking scoundrels play me for a fool, will they? They won't get away with this. I'll show them what it means to trifle with me.
Oh, wait! Chada! He's gone. Chada was really upset. I hope he'll be okay. After all, there are those vicious Pokemon he'd warned us about lurking ahead. And we have to get my relic fragment back from Skuntank. We should hurry too. Yeah, Chada was so good that you don't get to keep him for very long, so haha. But I think Chatot is unironically the best escort Pokemon in the entire game. I'm sad that he's gone already, but you kind of saw it. Mirror Move nullifies basically all damage done to you and reflects it back to the opponent, which is crazy. Also, Lower Brine Cave is a pretty popular song, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's not hard, but like, actually no. Well, most escort Pokemon aren't amazing, but I would argue that Chaudot's better than Grovyle. And Grovyle's really tough to beat. You're just gonna give it to me, Jesus. The faux fear orb. We're still dealing with Tentacool? What happened to Tentacruel? Randomness Sam. Hey, Randomness Sam. Which capture card do I use to capture this game? A DS emulator. Yeah, I don't have a DS capture unit or anything, or a Wii U, as the case may be, because I know this is on Wii U as well. How you doing, Sam? No, understandable. Glad to hear you're doing well, though. Oh, wait, we can just... Cool. Probably not much more to this. Oh, look at that. We're... Brine Cave Pit. Well, we've descended quite a ways, but we still haven't caught up to Chaudot or Team Skull. I also thought it was longer. This place, it's horribly hot and humid. Oh, that voice came from over there. Let's go, Twy. Oh, it's Team Skull. What happened to you? Wait, it can't be. Were you attacked by a mysterious gang of enemies?
Whoa, you knew it was coming? Would have been good to know that.
Not that you'd tell us.
Skuntank, are you alright?
Jaw, you find us at your mercy, and you're worried how we are? How sickeningly generous can you nitwits be?
We can't just ignore someone if they're hurt.
Jaw, your concerns wasted on us will be fine. That pompous Chaudot, he riled me up enough to keep me going.
Pardon? Pardon? Chaudot did what?
Here's what he did. That Chaudot came along after we got wiped out. When he spotted us down and out, he scolded us with all sorts of choice words. Oh, Jaw. After giving us that blistering tongue lashing, he went on his way. The things he said about us, I'm still seeing red. I am so steaming mad that I refuse to give up here. I'm getting out of here if I have to crawl, so I can deliver my payback to that blasted Chaudot. But if you think about it, we were close to giving up when the Chaudot saved us by riling us up. Jaw.
But even though you say you've been saved, you look like you're still suffering.
Jaw. We've been bad to you two all this time. You went through downright rotten times because of us, but you two can still bring yourselves to worry about the likes of us.
Yep. Sure, there were times that you made us angry. But when you see you down and out like this, we can't just walk away.
Jaw. Haha.
Hey, the relic fragment.
Jaw. Oops. How unlike me. That relic fragment slipped out of my grip. Jaw. I can't move yet. That Anya's gonna steal it back. Jaw.
Skuntank.
I only dropped the relic fragment by accident. You're free to pick it up, or not.
Skuntank. Thanks.
Oh, why thank me? The next time we meet, we're gonna be back to our old tricks of messing with you. Joe. Besides, don't waste your time worrying about us. You should be worrying about Chaudot instead.
That's right. Where did Chaudot go?
He went deeper. He's going after those enemies. You two hurry up and go too.
Thanks, Skuntang. We're going in deeper after them. Skuntang, be sure to get your team out. Don't give up.
I'll ask you not to patronize Team Skull. Choo.
Let's go, Twy.
You two, can you move?
Whoa, you can't be serious.
The way they trounced us, I'm just too wiped out.
Well, that's it. We must really look like a mess. Choo.
Whoa, but Chief, I like how you kept it to yourself until the very end. Then you're a little bit of a good guy. You redeemed yourself.
Shut it. Choo.
But I gotta say, Chief, there's something to be said about you doing that.
Shut up.
Hey, Chada. Huh, you two, be alert. They're very close by. I saw the retreating figures while I gave chase, but I'd lost sight of them by the time I reached the spot. They must be lurking here somewhere. But there doesn't appear to be anywhere to hide here. What is this? An odd sense of foreboding.
Yeah, shoutouts to lurkers for real, for real. We love them. We love our lurkers.
There are only rock walls around us. That one glance I caught of them, I'm on the verge of remembering. That's it! When they attacked me last time, they seemed to appear out of nowhere, but where they really appeared from was... Anya, Twy, be careful! They're above us! What?
I am Kabutops.
And we are the Omastar Brothers.
All trespassers here need to be taught a lesson. Take that.
Shut up!
What?
I won't let you get away with this.
I love that screen scroll too.
How do you like that? That hero shielded his buddies with his body. That's not what I call smart.
Hey, I remember. Kabutops. That big hero's been here before. We knocked him out the same way too.
This is the second time he's done that? That really takes a whole lot of smarts.
Say what you will. There are prized recruits. I won't let you harm them. Shut up. Shut up.
It's your turn next. Take this.
And luckily, we moved Chadat's beaten, bruised, beleaguered body out of harm's way. Yeah, these guys aren't too bad. Kabutops and Omastar are not tough. Especially if you have a grass type, but like... There we go. There's nothing noteworthy about this boss.
Chadat! Chadat, are you alright? Stay with us. Chadat! That voice. Guildmaster. Wigglytuff, and Grovyle too.
Guildmaster! Grovyle.
What is Grovyle doing with the Guildmaster? I'll explain later. This is more important. Chadat!
Hey, this is bad. Chadat is down.
Golly, he's hurt.
Chadat, are you okay? Are you hurt? I'm fine. I'm hale and hearty, as you can see. Chadat! I'm sorry, Chadat. If only I'd got here earlier. Please don't blame yourself, Guildmaster. But this is so humiliating. To be knocked out by the same enemies. Again! That isn't true, Chadat. The last time we came here, you were knocked out right away, Chadat, so you probably don't remember this, but that time, When Kabutops's gang sprang out at us, you shielded me from attack, Chatot. Excuse me? I sent Kabutops's gang packing right after that, but if it weren't for you jumping out to shield me, Chatot, I would have been knocked out on the spot. I owe my life to Chatot. That's what happened? Chatot, you are my invaluable partner. I am privileged to hear such words, Guildmaster. I'm such a happy Pokemon.
Oh, Chatot!
Chatot! Chatot!
Sorry, that first one was not a good take. Everyone, stay calm. Yes, he'll live. He still has time. Get him back to the guild now.
Well, we have to be back. Quick, let's all go back to the guild. No, we will take Chatot back to the guild. But as for you, Twinania, and you, Grovyle, you three must keep going. But don't worry about it. Besides, if you don't go on from here, Chadot's shielding you will have been for nothing. The strange pattern is up ahead. Now hurry.
Thanks, Wigglytuff. We will continue onward. Let's go, Anya and Twi.
Okay, let's go, Twi. Yeah, see, Chadot's the best. This is why I don't tolerate Chadot slander, because, like, good luck. Find the hidden land. That entire moment redeems every terrible thing Chadot has done throughout the entire... I don't care. I don't care that he made me go without dinner. I don't care that he didn't believe me when I came back from the future. I do not care. He's a good bean, and I love him dearly. Grovyle, how did you end up coming here?
Wigglytuff brought me.
Pardon? Wigglytuff did?
That's right. Wigglytuff had been looking for me. As soon as he found me, he asked me to go with him. He said you were close to finding the hidden land. It worked out fine, because I planned to join you anyway.
Plan to join us? Wait, does that mean...
That's right. I've collected all the necessary time gears.
Yes! All we have to do now is get to the hidden land. So let's get to the place with a strange pattern.
Oh yeah, my ceiling fan's on. Whoops. I forgot to turn that off. My bad. Better late than never. Sorry.
Wow, there's water here. Hold on, this is seawater. Look at that, Twi. The cave's mouth opens wide to the sea. We couldn't see it from outside because it's in the shadows.
It's true. Sea is visible beyond the rock walls. It's nearly evening. We didn't notice the time go by. The tide rises up to here from that gap in the walls.
Oh, that's...
Oh,
What? Twi, what's the matter? Wait, could you hear it, like, through the OBS, or did Discord just happen to pick it up, and that's why the PNG tuber was happening? That's why it's called Brine Cave, because Brine is fault. Yup. Discord was picking it up? I can deal with that. That's fine with me. Oh, okay. That's fine. This is the same as the pattern on my relic fragment. I guess this is the same pattern that Chatot described. I'll bring out the relic fragment. Oh, the relic fragment. Wow, the pattern on the wall's glowing now? It's as if it's reacting to the relic fragment.
What was that?
A beam of light shot out to sea. What's that out there? What? That's... It's coming closer. It's swimming. Anya, Twi, and Grovyle, correct? You know our names? Yes, I was informed by Wigglytuff. Wigglytuff told you? That pattern on the wall shot a beam of light across the sea. and then you appeared. Can you tell me who you are? I'm Lapras. I am the guide to the hidden land. You're what? You can take us to the hidden land? You unleash the beam of light from the pattern on the wall. That is the signal for gaining entry to the hidden land. It is beyond the sea. Step onto my back. I will carry you across the sea. Don't be afraid. I'm exceptional. I can carry you all and more on my back. It's beyond the sea. The hidden land.
Fly, Anya, let's go. Beyond the sea. Somewhere beyond the sea. Na, na,